मित्रांनो, या वेळेला आपण सेकंड इयर BScच्या अभ्यासक्रमात असणारं प्रॅक्टिकल फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ AC मेन्स अल्टरनेटिंग करंट मेन्सचं त्याची फ्रिक्वेन्सी काय असेल, आपल्या ह्या प्रॅक्टिकलचं एम आहे टू डिटरमिन द फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ AC मेन्स बाय सोनोमीटर. For this experiment, we need the instruments which are mentioned in this apparatus, that is a step down transformer, then AC ammeter, then sonometer, thick copper wire, strong bar magnets, 2 in number. See how these instruments are arranged in the setup. This is a circuit diagram, very simple one. As you know the sonometer, and this is a wire of sonometer. This is a wire of sonometer. On this wheel, it is attached to a small weights. Then A and B, these are the two knife edges, and this is nothing but the north pole of this magnet, and this is the south pole of this magnet. See here, this is a variable resistance, we can say a rheostat, is joined to this copper wire of sonometer. Through key, it is joined to the secondary of the transformer, and another end of secondary is joined to the current meter, and it is connected to the copper wire. This is a primary of transformer. See here the theory of this sonometer experiment. Whenever a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, perpendicular of force acts on the conductor, and the direction of the force is given by Fleming's left hand rule. Already this Fleming's left hand rule you have been learned in previous classes. If the current is alternation, the force changes its direction with frequency of AC. The conductor experiences a periodic force, and the conductor is set into oscillations. If the frequency of AC means equal to the natural frequency of AC means is equal to the natural frequency of conductor, and then there is a resonance that takes place. Vibration takes place in the copper wire, and the conductor starts oscillating with a maximum amplitude. Here this copper wire gets vibrated, or we can see that there is a formation of resonance takes place, and then we having a formula n equals to 1 upon 2l root of E by m, where n is nothing but the frequency of vibration of conductor. Here L is the vibration length, vibrating length of that wire, means the distance between two knife edges. Then T is the tension in the wire, M is mass per unit length of sonometer. By putting the values in this formula and by doing the calculations, we get the required result, that is the frequency of AC mains. Here the observations is given, are given. Density of a material of the wire rho is given 8.93 grams per second. List count of micrometer screw gauge, we have to calculate it. Then by using the screw gauge, we have to calculate the diameter of the wire. By taking 5 different lengths, we can take a mean diameter of that wire. Then a diameter by 2 is nothing but the mean radius of the wire. Then mass per unit length of a wire is given by this formula rho pi r square. By doing these calculations, we will get it. See friends, here we have to put our observations. What is the mass we have been attached to that string? Here we have to put 5 grams or 7 grams, whatever it may be. Then tension T equal to m into g. This m into g is by acceleration due to gravity, and here we have to do it. Then a resonating length, just we have been talked about it, that the distance between the two knife edges, and taking a root of t and by dividing it by L. In this way, for different masses you can take the readings. Then what is the procedure? The procedure is the circuit is connected as shown in the figure. Then the set of the 2-bar magnet on 2 riders of the center of wire with a dissimilar poles facing each other. Dissimilar poles means north and south. And between the bridges, the current is passed at just the bridges simultaneously, so that the length is chosen properly. At a particular length of wire, it oscillates with a maximum amplitude. Then measure the length between the bridges. Repeat the experiment by increasing the tension in steps and take at least 5 readings, by which you will get the result. Here we have to do the calculations. Then the precautions for performing this experiment, the wire should be a thick one. Then the string bar magnets should be used and they should be at the center. Then the current should be of the order of 0.5 ampere only to avoid the heating. Here the mass of the wire is also given. Friends, keep in mind that with these videos, the link is given to watch carefully the actual performed experiment in the laboratory, and you have to write these things in this way, in this which are shown in the chart. That is, you have to write in your record book, that is the aim, then apparatus, then draw the diagram, then write a theory, then formula, observation table, and do the calculations. See, again I will instruct you that aim apparatus should be right on ruled paper, and a diagram and observations you have to draw the diagram and write observation table on a blank paper. In this way you have to complete all these experiments which we are discussing here in this manner, because that will give in a coming exam you have to submit all these things by soft copy. Therefore, listen all these things carefully and do as per instructed. If you having any problem, you can ask by through the Telegram app also, or by telephonic talk also, by giving a message also. Thank you very much. We will uh, meet in next practical in next time. Thank you very much.